Assalamu alaikum, this is group 5 of MIS-250. We will discuss about Alibaba e-commerce. To know what is e-commerce, we have to know traditional commerce, which was an old way of buying or selling product services from one person to another without using the internet. And it is an old way of business style and falls within the traditional business. Nowadays, people do not prefer this because it takes time and needs a physical way of doing business. Electronic commerce, which relies entirely on the internet, was used as an alternative method for traditional commerce. So people prefer this method because it does not require physical intervention and does not take time and costs. Because of this, some companies have created websites to cope with the requirements of the modern era. But there are some challenges facing these companies, which creates competition among all companies of the world. For a company to be competitive with other companies in the field of e-commerce, it must contain an excellent and simple information system. Contains computers, tablets, smartphones, and other smart devices to serve all participants in the organization, from managers, employers, to customers, and even suppliers, and facilitate the provision of service through the website to build advocacy to cultivate loyal customers and suppliers for life. How to design a website. In designing website, the website must be user-friendly so that it should not be a problem for buyer or seller to navigate the site and work accordingly. Not everyone is well versed with internet technologies. Also, it's really important to make a comfortable website with not very complicated language. But on the same hand, website should be attractive enough to appeal visitors to go through it. Type of e-commerce. E-commerce operates in 4 market segments: business to business, B2B, which is the direct sale of goods and services between businesses; business to consumer, B2C, which involves sales between businesses and their customers; consumer to consumer, which allows individuals to sell one another, usually through a third-party site, like consumer to business, which lets individuals sell to businesses, such as an artist licensing their artwork for use corporation. Alibaba. You have to know, in this report we will talk about one of the largest companies in the field. In the field of e-commerce, namely Alibaba Group Holding Limited, a Chinese internet company that specialized in connecting Chinese manufacturers with buyers from China and other countries, which is one of the 5 best sites in the world. The 5 other competing in the same race are Amazon, Yahoo, eBay, EOL, aided by local international media, but Alibaba is a top-rated B2B website as well as a B2C website. At June 30, 2012, the platform has 29.4 million registered users in over 240 countries and regions, and showed storefronts of 2,500,000 suppliers. Over 300,000 visitors go through this site every single day, with maximum users are global buyers as well as importers who are looking for trading with traders in China, as well as other foremost manufacturing nations all over the world. Hence, their primary customers for the website are suppliers, exporters, manufacturers, as well as importers.
Alibaba is one of the biggest e-commerce retailers around the world. It connects sellers from many countries and customers from around the world. So it doesn't sell products by itself, the suppliers do. Suppliers can be from Russia, China, or from other countries. The thing that makes it special is it has had a high reputation around the world. In the old time, Alibaba was facing a big problem, which is phishing. Phishing is a type of social engineering where an attacker sends a fraudulent, spoofed, fake, otherwise deceptive message designed to trick a human victim into revealing sensitive information to the attacker. And phishing was attacked Alibaba by disturbing the security. Alibaba solved phishing problem by Alipay digital payment system. Alipay's digital payment system is a system that saves any sensitive data and secures. It prevents criminals to read and modifying any information transferred like personal information and details. Alipay digital system works by some complex algorithm that prevents the sensitive data that transferred by user and site from hackers. The data is very sensitive like user credit card number, name, address, and other financial and personal information. Alipay digital payments makes it impossible to read by any person. Alipay has a great impact on customers, which makes them feel comfortable when they pay because their information will be safe from hackers or anyone, and they will not have a virus on their own devices. Also, Alipay has built an inclusive digital ecosystem accessible to everyone.
The Information System Department in Alibaba consists of top-level managers, which is CEO of Alibaba, President, Vice President Sales, Vice President Marketing, and National Sales Manager. Middle-level managers consist of Division Sales Managers, CIO of the website, and CSO for Alipay system. First-level managers consist of salesperson or dealers. IT infrastructure. IT infrastructure is a set of physical devices and software required to operate an enterprise. Alibaba IT infrastructure consists of Internet platforms. Internet platforms include hardware, software, and management services to support the website. Second platform is data and management storage. Provide analytics information to help drive operational decision-making and strategic planning by corporate executives and business managers. Third platforms are networking telecommunication platforms to facilitate communication between customers and employees via the website. The business process of Alibaba.com. First process is inventory management. Ensures that the goods are always in stock for customers to purchase. Second process is order management and shipping. Ensures that there is less time spent managing orders and shipping it to customers. Third process is payment and invoicing. Sending more accurate payment information and invoices to your vendors and customers. Fourth, the process refunds and returns. Refunds and returns are something every e-commerce website has to deal with at some point. It makes customers a lot happier with your website, which encourages them to trust you more. Final process is customer service. Provide chatbots and email to respond to your routine customers' queries and complaints. A conclusion: Alibaba website offers internet as well as web-related services to customers all over the world. The services provided by this website are selling different products to its customers, as this website is designed on the principle of business to business and business to customer. Both buyers as well as suppliers are its customers. Website development depends on the phases of the system development life cycle. All problem area was identified, thus a user-friendly website was created and safe for customers after applying Alipay system. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.